Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up ThriveCart split pay pricing? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to offer split pay pricing in ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling high ticket items, sometimes you can increase conversions if you offer split pay pricing. So kind of like a payment plan. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up split pay pricing for one of your products, here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. Next, you're going to go ahead and choose the product that you're going to offer split pay pricing. So for example, this one right here, PDF download, and let me click on edit. Okay, so here it's going to bring you into the product edit screen. So in order to set up split pay pricing, it's going to handle here in the pricing button. Looks like a $sign. Okay, you can see this one right here. For this PDF download, I'm selling it for $50. But if you want to set up split pay pricing, you can either remove this one-time payment, or you can add a second payment option, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click here, add pricing option. Okay, once you do that, here at the top, payment type, you're going to click on the drop-down menu and click split pay. So split pay is kind of like a payment plan. So let's go ahead and click there. Next, what you're going to do is choose how much the monthly payments are. So I normally sell that product for $50, but if my customer wants to split it up over, let's say 4 months, maybe I'm going to sell it for $70, $80. Let's go ahead and just do $80. So we're going to split that $80 over 4 months. We'll do $20 per payment. And then we're going to go ahead and set the payments at 4 payments. So here you can see the terms. My customer will be charged $20 immediately, and then $20 every month for the next 3 months. So the total amount paid for the product will be $80. So as you can see, they get a benefit if they pay everything at once. They're only going to have to pay $50. But if they want to do split pay, I'm going to charge them $80 just for the convenience of splitting up that payment. Or if you want, you can go ahead and just do maybe 4 payments of $12.50. And that way they still pay the same $50 total. That's up to you. And then we're going to click on next and then save. Okay, now you can see we have 2 payment options for this particular product. They can pay a one-time fee of $50, or they can split it up into 4 payments for $12.50. And then what we're going to do is scroll down and click on save and get URL. Okay, so now anybody who ends up on that product page, they're going to have 2 options to pay everything in full, or 4 payments of $12.50. And you can copy the link right here. And if you want to see what it looks like, click here, view checkout. Okay, so here is my checkout screen. We have our PDF download for $50, and they can pay $50 one time, or they can click right here and then choose to split that up. So they're going to do 4 payments of $12.50, which means $12.50 for today's payment, and then 3 payments afterwards for $12.50. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up ThriveCart split pay, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.